like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, it's gonna be a little different. It's kind of going to be vlog style since I am actually having renovations done on our house right now. So I can't really film in my beauty room and I don't have any of my equipment. It's all in my room right now. And if I showed you guys the chaos, you will know what I'm talking about. So I'm actually filming in my dining room today and I thought I would do a little vlog style with you. I've got all my PR packages right behind me and yeah, I just thought I'd kind of show you guys everything that I've gotten in the mail recently, and then also do like a little bit of a haul with you guys. So I asked you guys this, I think, on my Twitter, and you guys said that you wanted to see it, so I thought I'd do it for you guys. I'm just in a very cozy environment right now, and I'm sorry I'm not dressed up or anything. I am going into third trimester this week, you guys. It is so crazy. I just can't even believe it. I am getting really bright. There we go. If I get really bright, I apologize. The sun's actually like blaring in right now. We're just making dinner and I'm filming. But yeah, you guys, I am in third trimester end of this week and it's really, really crazy how quick my pregnancy's been. But I'm also really happy because I've been very fortunate to have a pretty good pregnancy so far. I definitely have had some issues and I don't really address them. I don't want to complain to you guys. But I think in my pregnancy third trimester video that I plan on getting out for you guys, I'll let you know what's going on because I know a lot of you guys are curious on like a twin pregnancy, and if I can kind of talk about some of the things that I've been going through, then maybe it can help you guys that are planning on having like a pregnancy. So yeah, anyways, I am just gonna roll right into this video. I have a ton of goodies that I've been wanting to share with you guys and I'm really excited. And some are actually from friends that I got in the mail, so they may be for the twins. But I'm just gonna start off with this Pop Beauty box. So I just got this one right here. And I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Pop Beauty is owned by Pixi, like their sister companies, I think. But this is what their PR package looks like on the inside here. So I get stuff sent to me from Pixi, so I think Pop Beauty just started sending it to me because it's the same company. But we have here the Topper Poppers new metallic lip stains. So it comes in, what is this, 6 new shades. These are the shades right here that it came out with, and I've actually already swatched a few. They are really, really pretty. They're very pigmented. And this is the bag it came in, just like this metallic fun bag. And let me show you guys. I actually already took them out of like the packaging, so I'll just show you what this is the packaging though, but I'll show you guys what the actual lippies look like because the packaging is really cute. So this is what they look like. So these are the colors right here. So they have a few nudes and like a red, a purple, just some really fun colors. I would probably go more towards these 3 colors right here, the more nude shades. And this one right here is gorgeous. This is kind of like a light champagne color. Ooh. And they're just very metallic, very sparkly. I'm not sure if you guys can see that on my hand. There we go. So it just gives you like a really beautiful sheen, and you guys know I love sparkles. I'm gonna just swatch a really dark color for you so you guys can see what it looks like. That's what it looks like right next to it. So they are very sparkly, if you guys like sparkles. So I'm really excited to try these out. And yeah, thank you, Pop Beauty. I'm gonna go into this box right here. It's gonna take up my whole screen right now. I'll just move it right here though. So I think I just threw this in. This is actually from Real You. So they are on Instagram. I follow them and they have really cute, great skincare. So they're actually a skincare line from Australia, and I think I've shown her products a while ago, but I haven't gotten anything from her line in quite some time, I think since Vancouver. But they sent me the Real You Cleanse Gentle Foaming Wash. So this is what it looks like right here, the packaging. And they actually came out with a face cloth, which is really, really nice. It's teal, it's very pretty. And that's what it looks like right there. So I know this was like a new launch that they had, I think, as of last week. So that's really cool. I don't see a lot of like skincare brands do that and give you like a face towel as well. I think that's pretty awesome. And then right here we have the Gentle Foaming Wash that just came in a small sample, which is really great for travel. So I'm gonna try those out and obviously let you guys know my thoughts. And they gave me like a little card. And then, okay, so this is pretty cool. I actually got this package from a local company and it's so cute, you guys. They sent a ton of stuff for the twins. And right here, a little easier to show you guys like this, but this is the really cute card that they got me. And she wrote like they wrote the longest letter to me, so I really am just so thankful. And I'm gonna leave their brand down below for you guys if you want to check them out. They have a really cute baby line, and I'll show you right now how cute and like custom their pieces are. And I already know that you guys are gonna love them because there's some unicorns and there's some princess vibes going on, so let me show you guys. And their company is called Little Bird Collection, so I'll leave a link down below. You guys have to check them out. They have the cutest Instagram. But right here they got I think these are swaddle blankets, but they're really cute. They're like floral print, and I haven't opened them yet. And then these are adorable. I was really excited to show you guys these. So I'm gonna first show you guys the unicorn teethers. I was so excited to open these up, and I actually just went on their website right now. So these are $28.95. They actually have all different types. Like if you guys have boys, they have like little whales, they have ice cream cones. They're just really custom and very cute. But I got the unicorn ones, and I'm so excited about these. You guys, they're pastel colors. So this is what it looks like right here, the little unicorn, and it's so cute. I just can't get over it. It's pastel colors, and of course I got two. This is what it looks like when you guys get it in the mail. But look how adorable that is. And then the other one that I wanted to show you guys is this one right here. So this is the princess one. And look how cute and fabulous that is. It's got like a little tiara, and it's pink, and this is so girly. I cannot wait. Like, look how cute and fun these are. Okay, so right here we have the custom. This is the custom bib with their name on it. I can't show you guys that one, but look how cute these are. So we have the pineapple one right here, which you guys know my obsession with pineapples is real. Like, that's cute. And then this one right here is the mermaid one. Look how cute that is. We got the same ones for both of the girls, so I don't have to show you guys the other ones. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much, you guys. You guys are so sweet to send me those gifts, and you guys will definitely see me posting more of their stuff. Once I do nursery photos, I'm sure you guys will see that stuff in there. Next, let's do this package right here. This is actually from Pixi. Well, they have beautiful PR packages, you guys. It's always so custom. They put your name on things, and this box is just gorgeous. I'm gonna show you from this way just because I want to get up close. All right, you guys, so this is the package here. Pixi by Petra, glow in a box. Bam. How pretty is this? It says glow, get them gorgeous, and right here, this is their new launch. So right here we have the liquid fairy lights, these ones right here. So pretty. So 5 new shades, and then right here we have the delicate dew and subtle sunrise. So those look really pretty and fun for summer. Very sparkly. Everything in here is very sparkly. A lot of collections are like all about the sparkles, and I'm loving it. So these are the 5 shades right here, and I'm gonna swatch them on my hands really quickly. I haven't even dug into this package yet. Wow, I cannot get over how sparkly these are. They are so pretty, you guys. Right here, this is the first duo, and they are so pigmented, you guys. Oh my goodness. This package definitely makes you get your glow on, that's for sure. And this color right here is like calling my name, this really pink one. So for some reason I actually thought these were for your lips just because it looks like a little lip gloss, but they're actually for your eyes. How cool is that? And look how sparkly these are, you guys. Oh my goodness. And I know for me, I love wearing sparkles on my lids, and I love sparkly eye looks, and especially if I can just go in with something solid like this, like going with just like one color. I don't have to blend anything out. That's just like a lot of fun. So the lighter shades in here are calling my name. I love that gold one. The gold one is so pretty. I have to say though, this is probably one of my favorite launches from Pixi, you guys. Anything with sparkles just calls my name. So I'm really excited. Let me know if you guys want to see like a little tutorial. I want to do like a sparkly look, and I love these. The champagne color though, which is like that yellowish one, is so me. You guys know I love gold sparkly eyes. I actually bought this myself. This is Lunar Beauty. So this is by Manny MUA. And I saw his palette and I was like, that is so gorgeous. To get it. So this is like the little card it came with, and if you guys don't know Manny, which I'm sure everyone does, he's a YouTuber, Manny MUA, and his palette is stunning. It's massive. Like, this has to be the largest palette I think I've ever seen. It's huge. Okay, so this is the palette right here, Life's a Drag, and it's got his eyes right there, and it's got the gold metallic right here, sparkly, and this is also metallic, really pretty. Life's a Drag, and I'll show you guys what it looks like if I can open it. All right, so this is the inside of the palette. Look how pretty, and it says be a queen. And these are all the shadows, and they're actually very wearable. Like, I'd say all the neutrals, all the browns in here. I love Beat. That's probably my favorite. You guys know I love pink sparkles. And then also Sickening looks like a color I'd use in my crease. The fun colors, I mean, I'm not that fun when it comes to makeup looks, but this is definitely a very fun palette for someone, and I love like all the details on this palette. It turned out really, really nice. So yeah, I'm excited. If you guys want to see a tutorial, let me know. Down to the last ones. This is the Born This Way concealer package. Now this is massive, you guys. Like look how big this is. I already have been using it upstairs, so my shade color is in light beige. Would you guys look at this shade range? It's crazy. So many shades. So nuts. And I have to say, I want to do actually like a full review on this and let you guys know my thoughts, which, I mean, I've just been obsessed with it. I've been wearing it every single day since I've got it, and it gives so much coverage, but it's lightweight and it covers my imperfections. And I honestly replaced it with my NARS and my Urban Decay concealer because I loved it that much more. But yeah, this is an awesome PR package, and if you guys have tried it, let me know what you guys thought. But yeah, it's a massive bottle, by the way. It is literally like the size of a foundation bottle. This is like the biggest concealer I think I've ever seen, so you guys are definitely getting your money's worth. And they're just like, I can't believe the shade range for a concealer line. That is crazy. So I just swatched them on my hands, and sorry for the terrible swatches. I'm kind of in a rush right now, but you guys can see like the sheen off of it too. Like, it's just such a natural finish, but it's also very, very high coverage and full coverage as well. So I'm really impressed with the concealer. This would be really nice for someone too, like if you don't really wear foundation, but you want like a little bit of coverage, this would be something nice to go in with. Last few here. My goodness, I'm so tired. I hope you guys don't mind me doing these videos in this vlog style on my main channel, just because it's getting very hard for me to film. So I'd rather have videos up than not have them up at all, and it's just so much easier for me, so I hope you guys understand. I actually ordered this right here. It came in today. I was really excited. I got these for the girls, and they're little hats, and I got them on Etsy. So the store is called Pink and Blue Bonnets Boutique. Yes, that's what it's called. And then right here, this is their hats. Let me show you guys up close because they're so cute. So these are the little hats, and they're so cute. They have little bows on them, and I've just been looking at Etsy because there's so many custom pieces that are on Etsy that you can buy, and they actually came really quick in the mail. I think it took like a week or two. So they did come quite quick, and this is the store that I ordered from right here, if you guys wanted to check it out. But yeah, really cute pieces. I wanted to get different colors because I'm sure for the first little while, you guys, it's gonna be really hard to tell them apart since they are identical. So yeah, different colors it is. Also, I just got this package from my friend today, Jen, and I don't know what it is. I think it's for the girls, and I'm really excited. It came in this fancy pink wrapping paper. Aww, these are so cute, you guys, and it's a little soother. Look how cute. You guys know I love turtles. I actually bought them massive turtles from Maui, and let's see if it's the same one. Oh, this one's different. Oh, this one's a unicorn, you guys. How cute. Look at this little unicorn. I just wanted to show you guys these up close. They are so adorable. I haven't seen ones like these actually, with the soother and like the little stuffy. They're really, really cute. And I think this is the brand that she got it from, Woobanub. And yeah, I've never heard of this brand before, but that's so awesome. Thank you so much, Jen. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so that was everything that I have right now. I think there's more packages upstairs, but I'm not gonna go through that room right now. Stuff is everywhere, and I don't wanna move anything because our painters are here early morning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I opened up with you guys. And if you wanna see more videos like this, let me know. And yeah, I also really hope the lighting wasn't too crazy in this video because it's so bright in here right now. And yeah, I just hope I'm not like a glowing star right now. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. I really enjoy doing PR unboxings or just like haul videos for you guys. So I will have some hauls on this channel because I know I've been hauling on pretty much just my vlog channel, but that is the reason why I created that channel, was to do like more hauls with you guys, more shopping, home decor and everything like that over there. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to subscribe on that channel. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys have not yet subscribed to this channel though, make sure to subscribe now for lifestyle decor and beauty videos. My back is killing me. Ow. It's very hard to film later in the day, but I'm happy I did this video for you guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.